So, happy Monday. I didn't know what to make today. I'm a person who cook 7 days a week normally. So today I felt like I wanted to do like a light dinner. So my son and my husband, they wanted me to make my famous chicken sandwiches. I hate to compare it to Popeyes because mine is better. Sorry to toot my own horn, but beep beep. All right, so first here I have some cut, thoroughly washed chicken breasts. Okay, and here I have my batter. My batter is, I actually use this, I'm not gonna cheat, I do. And I just add some hot pepper seeds in there because I like a little spice sometimes. So, over here, I have my egg wash. My egg wash is actually orange because I add a little bit of the sooon. I add the sooon just for color. Anyone who cooks already know color is everything, as well as presentation. So, let's get started. So I'm going to dip this into the egg wash. Just incorporate it really well. Dip it right into the batter, which is a chicken fry with the little pieces of hot pepper seeds that I add. A little spice. You can dip it back into the wash. Just flip. Just to double batter it. I had an extra pinch. There we go. Nice and ready for me. So I'll just add that in. Let that fry up. I like to do mine separately because you hate for them to, like, you know, get incorporated with each other and they might be stuck together, or one might cook more than the other. So it takes more time, yes, but me personally, I like to do them individually. There's only 3 of us here, so it's not too much of a time consumption for me. Okay guys, so we fried this bad boy for about a good 13 minutes, 14 minutes at the most. It's fully done. I use my temperature gauge. It is fully cooked, crispy, crunchy, hot. Okay, so let's plate it. So it's time to plate. I have my brioche buns. We love these. They're so delicious. Soft, but the consistency is very good for almost anything. So first I have here my special sauce. It's basically just Thousand Island, and I add like garlic powder, a little bit of parsley flakes just for color. Okay. A lot of people like to add, kidding. A lot of people like to add their cheese on the top. I like to add mine on the bottom. It's just a different taste for me, but you can do it as you please. After that, I like to add a leaf of lettuce. I actually would use romaine. And then my crispy, juicy chicken breasts. You see that? After that, everyone don't like tomatoes. We love tomatoes in my house, so I cut them pretty thick so that we can taste them. And also we love onions. Red onions is always better to me on sandwiches, so I use a red onion. Then remember, we have our sauce. Look at that. Scrumptious. But we're not done yet. We want to use fries. Sometimes they get boring. We're trying to eat a little bit lighter now, so I love these. These are called Latisse cut fries. They're kind of like French fries, but they're just potato chips. Actually fills you just as much as a potato would. Really good. Okay, here we are. This is our Monday night dinner. My homemade fried chicken sandwiches with my Latisse cut fries. Delicious. I will also have my recipe in my bio. Like, love, subscribe. Thank you guys.